Добрый день, друзья! Сегодня время, когда вы можете планировать свои путешествия. Может быть, не завтра вы куда-то полетите, может быть, через месяц, но это очень приятная процедура. So, guys, hello, and today we will speak about so exciting moment when you are planning your trip. Maybe not for tomorrow, maybe 1 month later, maybe in summer, but it's so good time when you're planning to be somewhere and enjoy your time. So let's start from so basic words, and these words you will need when you go to the airport or check your passport somewhere. Okay, so let's start from the first verb. Okay, first maybe will be taxi. Taxi, I didn't write here because it's the same word, pronunciation is exactly the same. Taxi, taxi, maybe stress are different. But next to your destination will be airport, right? Аэропорт in Russian. So looks like the same, like sounds the same, but spelling different. Spell are different, and so let's see how it will be in Russian. Аэропорт. Аэропорт. And as you know, in Russian language, as in any language in the world, you can spell it and pronounce it differently. So, for example, the word aeroport, starting from a, ro, if you spell it, can be o here, but when you pronounce it's a. As usual in Russian language, if you write o, pronounce it as a. Okay? Аэропорт. Airport. Airport, it's airport when you're starting your destination and when you're preparing yourself for enjoying your holiday or your business trip or meeting or some important part of your life. So let's see. Next one, when you're at the airport, you have your passport. You have to show them. And what should I say about Russian passport? We have two passports, by the way. First one, we are showing, we need them when you are living in Russia. If you're a Russian citizen, if you have a Russian passport, you should use them everywhere, even if you can buy some alcohol or cigarettes. You should show that you are up to 18 years old. And another one, you should have, it's not a fake one, by the way, it's a real, but if you don't want to go out from Russia or never go to holiday to Turkey, Spain, I don't know, Italy, you don't need another passport because this passport it's like international passport for Russian citizen. We are showing in that passport all our flights, and when you cross the border, you have a stamp there, and next time when you go out and passport control, people can see that you're a traveler, you know. So it's all important. You have to have two passports. Russian passport all on Russian, but another one like English Russian, both of language. Okay, next one. Okay, by the way, passport, we have the same word, passport, passport. Do you have a place to write some here? Okay, let's see our Russian friend. He has here passport. Passport. He has passport here in that luggage. Okay, small one as you have. Okay, but we don't have a CV card like that. We don't need them in Russia, so we have just passport. So next, two important words, entrance and exit, right? If you want to go out, or anyway, you don't want to stay at the same place for the long time, you have to go out somewhere or try to find some shop or cafeteria somewhere to drink some coffee or meet someone at least. So you can find two words, выход and вход. Вход, it's an entrance. If you go in somewhere, like if you are out of the airport, you are going out from the airport, you should find exit, right? It's like выход, out of that place. Выход. But вход, if you come somewhere. So it's, by the way, difficult for English speakers to pronounce these two letters, v and h. Okay, it's like h in English and hot in Spain, h. Okay, we have h, this letter, and it's important because you should pronounce it two letters, all of them together, v, h, without or some letters which can help you to sing and pronounce easily this word, It's not a vowels, it's like two different letters all together, vh, vhod. But next one is a vowel, and O will help you to go after two difficult letters, like vhod. You see, if after h wouldn't be O, would be so difficult, right? If it were something p, r, would be so difficult pronunciation, but O helps you to pronounce it. Vhod. Try to follow or to pronounce it easy. Vhod. You see? Выход. But next letter after first one, it's vowel, that's why it's so easy. Выход. Выход. Выход, it's exit. So we have выход на посадку. Выход на посадку. Departure gate. So in English, you have gate if you're going to departure, but for example, выход as exit, outside of the airport, you have two different words, but we have just one, like выход. It means выход на посадку, выход на посадку. Посадку, it's a departure gate, and just выход as exit, we have just word, one, and you do not mix up everything in your mind, in your head. So next place, always scared, I don't know why, like I'm guilty, did something wrong, always waiting and nervous before таможенный контроль. Таможенный контроль, it's like custom service, like it's a place where you should show your passport and answer the difficult questions, like how money do you have? How much money do you have? Where are you going? Why? When? A lot of questions. And really, I feel like I'm in prison, staying and hear some light, and I have to answer quickly, and so difficult time. But okay, maybe you are not as I am. So, таможенный контроль. Таможенный контроль. Custom service, okay? Регистрация на рейс. Регистрация. You see, so регистрация. So Russian word. Регистрация. R. A lot of R. So let's count how many R we have. R here. Регистрация. 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 So регистрация на, it means on, рейс. Рейс. Регистрация на рейс. Registration, like say. But when you're регистрируешься на рейс, it means you check in. So easy in English. Check in, that's it. Регистрация на рейс. So, next one, of course, we are going by plane, aircraft. It means like a самолет, aircraft, plane. So important to have your luggage with you. But you know about me, if I go even for the week, I never take my luggage, just like hand luggage, not so heavy, because I don't like to wait, when you go somewhere and you stand in a queue, passport control, this custom service, and something, and you're waiting to meet someone, some person, or go out or something from this airport. You've been in a plane for 15 hours, and imagine you have your luggage and you have to weigh them. So incredible. No, impossible for me. So it depends on you. Of course, if you like to take everything with you to have a comfortable holiday, you need to have a luggage. So luggage, багаж. Our Russian friend with up his hand because he wants me to check him, everything is fine or not. He has some luggage. Okay, but hand luggage. Ручная кладь. Ручная. Why ручная? Because рука, it means my hand. Ручная, it means hand luggage, Ручная кладь. Кладь, it's different word from багаж. Багаж, if you have your luggage, big one, you put all of them together, like all your stuff, and you prepare for the long holiday. But I know my friend, she came to me for one day and she bring 2 luggages with her. I was scared that she wanna stay with me for the months, but she was like a person who takes everything with her. So if you are, you should know the word luggage. That's it. If you are as me, I like to take hand luggage. Ручную кладь. Ручная кладь. So, ручная кладь. Ручная кладь. What else? Of course, you have a lot of questions in your mind, and maybe at least you should know how to say in Russian. Когда начинается посадка? Когда начинается посадка? What time does the boarding start? So, boarding means посадка. Why? Because we are sitting, Sitting means садимся, а посадка, like from the word сесть, it means sit. Посадка. we say it means boarding, посадка in Russian. Посадка. So, когда, it means when or what time, когда, the same. What time does the boarding start? Когда начинается. Начинается, it means starting. Посадка. Когда начинается посадка? When? What time? When does it boarding start? So, мне нужна виза. I'm going somewhere in February and I need to check, do I have a visa? Do I need this visa or not? Of course, I should ask, мне нужна виза? Мне, it means for me. Do I need a visa? Мне нужна, it means need, visa. Visa, the same word. No, you don't need a visa. Нет, не нужна. Не нужна, it means you don't need. Or if you need, I should say yes, you need, yes, да, нужна. Нужна, you need, it means, you know. So I hope when you go somewhere you don't need any visa. So it's easy to go out without spending your time for nothing. But I hope your holiday anyway will be so amazing, and I hope my Russian will help you to your holiday will be easier. Я хочу, чтобы ваши каникулы, ваш отдых был намного проще с моей помощью. Bye!